Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aizad-kun. Today I will show you about how to use the Cloudflare. But before you proceed this video, you need to watch the previous video on how to connect our website and Cloudflare. So if you are done, then let's get started. Okay, so firstly you need to log in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, and this is my website. I have been added this website already. If you don't have a website, so click this button. Okay, now let's proceed. So this is the interface of Cloudflare. There are several panels that provided to us. So if we want to secure our website, firstly, we need to go to SSL/TLS. Then we go to Edge Certificates. After that, we turn on always use HTTPS. Let's see how it works. We refresh our page. And now, our page is secure. Furthermore, if we want to know what type of encryption modes we have been used in our website, we just go back to the Cloudflare website and then click to the SSL or TLS and then click to the overview. So, for my website, I use flexible encryption modes which Cloudflare allow HTTPS connection between my visitor and Cloudflare, but all connection between Cloudflare and my origin server are made through HTTP. If you are not sure which encryption mode to use, just enable SSL or TLS recommended. Okay, so after we secure our website by using HTTPS, next we move to the analytics. From this, we can check our web traffic requests through Cloudflare. So this is the total of requests and catch requests and uncatched requests. Next, we also can check the bandwidth of our website. And then finally, we can see the unique visitor that has visited our website from the previous 24 hours. From this setting, we can change it. Next, we can see also the web traffic requests by country. This is the example. So this is the amount of traffic that has been requested by every country. Okay, so after that we click into the security panel and we can see the number of threads in our website. So the number of threads is 11. Not only that, but we can also see number of threads by country. It will help us a lot to determine where the attacks comes from. So this is the table shown below about the most attacker from every country. So number 1 is Malaysia, followed by Cyprus and then Germany. Okay, now I want to stop the access. I want to block the access from this country. So how I'm gonna do it? Firstly, I go to the firewall button and then click firewall rule. After that, I create a firewall rule and then I need to give a name to our rule. Okay, for example, I want to give a name like block access from Malaysia. Okay, so the field is country, operator is equal and the value is Malaysia. Okay, so an action is block for sure because we want to block the access, and then we deploy the rule. After that, the rule is turned on, and then let's see what happened. We open our page again and we refresh it. Okay, so now you can see access has been denied because of I'm located at Malaysia. So let's consider if I'm an attacker. So I cannot do some malicious attack into the website like cross-site forgery, cross-site scripting and others because there is no data has been displayed for me to exploit it. Okay, so if you want to see the page again, so you open our Cloudflare and then turn off the rule, and then we open back our page, exit the page and open Hostinger and refresh back the Hostinger. Okay, so we open back our website. Okay, now our website is back to the normal. Okay, after that, what if I want to block myself from access the website by using IP source address field? Okay, let's do it together. Firstly, I create again firewall rule and then set name like block access for a specific IP. Okay, so the field is IP source address and operator is equal, and the value how we want to get our own IP address. So in this case, we cannot use our own private IP address because if we want to do searching in Google, we automatically have an public IP. So if I want to block myself from the website, I need to use my public IP. Okay, how I can get the public IP? Firstly, we go to the new tab and then search localhost. Okay, I already copy and then open a localhost. Okay, so here I get my IP address. What we need to do is just copy it and then paste into this value. Okay, so the action is block and then deploy the rule. And finally, the rule is on. Okay, after that, we open back our website and refresh back again. Okay, so now the access has been denied too. So that's how you want to block from IP source address field. Okay, from this rule, we also can see the number of access has been blocked from the country of Malaysia. So we click it and then okay, we can see the IP address that has been blocked from this country. So this is the information about the user. What is the function of rule? Okay, the function of rule is help us a lot to reduce the risk to get the attacks like cross-site scripting, cross-site forgery and others into our website. So if we want to prevent from this or to reduce the risk of having an attack, we need to use Cloudflare as our wall in the website.
Last but not least, for your information, a professional attacker will check whether the website protected by a firewall or not before they launch the attack by using webproof tools. So how they do it? Okay, so firstly, we need to install a Kali Linux software before we do it, because Kali Linux is special for us to do a hacking session or to check the website and others. Okay, so firstly we need to open our terminal emulator and then we need to input the syntax of woof and press enter. Okay, now you will see the example of webwoof testing into the website. So you just use those example and change the website name into your website. Okay, so input the webwoof and your website name. Okay, so click enter and then it will be checking. Okay, so you will see the result is the site https Hafiz info tag is behind Cloudflare. So that means our website is protected by Cloudflare. So by using webproof tools, an attacker can prevent to launch the attack into a secure website because it will be difficult for an attacker to break into the website, and our website Cloudflare can detect immediately the attacker IP address. So it will be dangerous for the attacker to inject some malicious code or attacks.
To summarize, Cloudflare helped us to increase some security of our website and increase a lot of benefit to our website, like it provides the web traffic statistic, set of full firewall that I can set up into our website and others to prevent from the possible attacks and to give us awareness about our site security. So that's all from us. Thank you.